Yes, umpisa na po ang aming event ngayon, sunrise to sunset. So Tupper, we live on Facebook.
Yeah.
We're doing our gift giving, courtesy of Ginebra.
We're gonna fix this up. We're gonna fix that up.
A gift for each room, here at the tenement. Not only that, ito, bago to. Besides the floor, the design, first time namin na pintahan yung labas ng tenement. Ang ganda pala. You know. Changes, progress. Welcome kayo dito. Maghapong event dito. May banda kami sa rooftop. Maraming tutugtog. Maraming live graffiti art. Dito, gift giving para sa mga residents ng tenement. So it's so dope. So we're starting. We got Ginebra players. They're coming here too later. So yung malapit lang, punta kayo. Ang dami. Nakakatuwa naman o nakaka-touch. Grabe.
Kinabig mo!
May iba na yung spot. Kuya Ed, bati tayo. Bayanihan kami dito. Tulong-tulong lang.
Tulong-tulong. To all our guests, punta kayo ha.
Yes, Coach Ed, right there. Paki. Picture daw tayo.
Thank you po. God bless.
Ayan na, meron na. Dito natin i-press ang tent.
Then the other one, the bigger one is here.
Well, the bigger one should be here.
Alright.
Is that not the bigger one? Small one?
Simple lang.
Dito na yan, yung malaki na.
Where? Here? Put here?
The big one on this side. Nasabihan mo na yung malaki, Kuya Eds. Okay, thank you.
Chris is already.
Okay, thank you. Madaming bago dito. Grabe, madami kaming gagawin dito na kakaiba. Aayusin na namin yung courts, courtesy of GoFundMe. Yung bubong sa kabila, wala nang basura. Tsaka sarado na yung mga butas. Pag umulan, hindi na mababasa din sa ilalim. Lilipat namin yung court sa kabila, papalitan namin ito ng maganda. Sobrang napakaganda. State of the art court. So people all over the world can come visit and have fun. Playing here at the tenement. Punta kayo dito. Ruby Ibarra's performing later. She's shooting her video later. Di ko alam kung rekta pupunta eh. Sana, sabihin ko, text ko mamaya, message ko si Vince. Whatever the case may be, we have gifts for each room here at the tenement. This is amazing. People, shout out to Quest for connecting us too. Like, I hope he comes later also. Yun ang mga uniform.
The jerseys. Yeah.
Oh, tuwa ni Will. Ano na ang jersey natin, oh.
Hi, baby.
Pero pareho lang yung number sa likod.
Alright.
Magkaiba lang yung kulay.
Colors.
Tsaka ano lang, bawat box may isa niyan. Pero sa players, kaya yung job mo ngayon, yung 90 players, ang ihanda mo na ngayon. I-prep mo na sila ngayon. Hindi maari mamaya na malate. I-prep mo sila na nakadamit na, ready to go, make the announcements and make the gift. Tsaka yung ticket ng bawat player, dapat hawak nila. So yung kwarto nila, pag hindi pa dadatingan, hintayin nila ang Kuya Ed, ang Kuya Boy para makuha yung ticket nila. Thanks, Rudy.
White and red jerseys.
I know, he got hyped. Coach Ed, he got hyped because he the one teaches these kids. You know? I'm getting the kids ready right now for him to get the kids ready. Maglalaro kayo mamaya, di ba? Nasaan yung ticket na dadalhin sa inyong kwarto? Pumunta kayo sa inyong rooms, kunin ninyo yung ticket stub para makuha niyo yung regalo niyo. Sa mga rooms ninyo, bumalik kayo, tanong niyo kung nasaan yung ticket stub na kailangan para makakuha ng gift, okay? Huwag niyo kakalimutan kasi mamaya hindi makakapunta sa court pag wala yung ticket na stub na yun. They're still making rounds on half of the people. But right now, live, they'll get the. I think it's better that some of it is given now, so
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
half of it is given. Ang ganda pala pag napintahan to. Rudy, much love, bro. Yeah, man, Brooklyn 718 all day. Brighton Beach, Coney Island, Marlboro Projects. What up? Are you coming here, Bong? Share this shit, man. Let's share this video. Help us invite people to come. Hey, do us a favor, man, you know? I know it's a small favor, but we appreciate it's a big favor. You just share it on your wall so people can see that we have this thing going on right here, right now. Okay lang, paki-share nito, paki-share nito. Lahat kayo na dito. Isang share lang. Salamat. Are you coming here, B-Rock? This is part of your work, man. Sir Tupper is here. Hanggang sunset kami dito. Tapos mamayang gabi, Lumpang, Lipa City, here I come. Yes, cool. You want to see the floor? Hey, Ben, what up? Check it out, Ben.
Dito na lang siguro to.
I'm gonna go upstairs and give you guys a view of the top. Ate Gigi, mamaya tulungan mo ako sa aking phone pag sa, ha? Okay. Haircut ni Kuya Boyet. Walking on air, running on air. Word. Thanks, man. I don't know what part of the world you're in, but I know you're killing it. A lot of people gave us props for that work you did. The picture taking thing. On air. Taipei, damn, the whole world is here. That's what's up. Genius ears. Paro paro. Hello. Morning glory to you. Hon Wong. Morning. People are your friends in the Philippines. They reached out to me because they were happy to meet me because you work with me. They was like, what? That's they're fans of your work. Found out I work with Benjamin Wong. My man. Okay. Yung ticket, ano nyo, meron na kayo? Alright. Please keep sharing this. We appreciate if you share this video. Idol. Ito po yung rooftop na sobrang dungis, sobrang daming basura. Ayos na namin. Ayos na yung gutter. Just gonna move the basketball courts there. Yeah, like that? Yeah. still a little messy later. I'll get better. Anong gagawin? Lilinisin doon? Tulungan muna natin sa baba kaya. Okay lang kay Maya kasi wala naman. Sige. Mamaya? Oo, basta, sige. Wait for me, I'll go down there. Pagbalik mo, sige. How's that looking? Oh shit, yeah, it's nice. Oh, ang ganda pala, no? Wala, nakatakip pa yun natin sa baba. Oh man, this shit is beautiful. Ganda. Punta kayo dito mamaya. Hanggang sunset kami dito. Taas pa, para makita. Ito na, oh. Thanks GoFundMe, thanks Titans for giving us a portion of the Tenement Hyperdunk sales. Roy. Nakakalula na. Yan, no? Tingnan ko lang sa rooftop, silipin ko lang kung ano nangyayari sa rooftop kasi mamaya set up. Ay, kaso po ang uulan, wag naman sana. Ang dilim. Makulimlim. Pa-share naman po. Bago kayo mag-golf, Sir Amard. Oh, ito na tayo. Nasa rooftop na. Yeah. Hindi namin natapos yun, gagawin naming minion sana yun, oh. Dilaw na, oh. Minion yun. Here goes the sound system. Dito po kuya. Dito po sa dulo. Everybody can play here. Ivan, siyempre, dali mo si Sir Henyo. Congrats sa kanya. Being a finalist sa Isa Buhay, Baguio represent. Ivan, bibisita pa kami dyan. Tutuloy natin lahat ng pinag-usapan na noon. Pati Sunugan Kalye, alam natin, patulong na rin. Meron, dun po magagaling. Pwede nga idaan din dun sa, ito nabubuksan din. Kukunin ko lang yung ano natin para may mag-assist sa inyo dito po. Dito po magagaling sa loob ng kwartong yan. Ewan ko kung saan kayo pepesto, pero pinakamagandang ano namin setup dito, nakaharap yung ano eh. Dito yung tugtog.
Dito na lang kuya. Yung drum.
Pwedeng wag masyado sagad sa pader. Pwedeng medyo ano pa.
Medyo
yan, kahit isa pang hakbang. Yan, pwede na yan. Pakita ko yung sahig dito. Sige po. Ganda dito, oh. Oh. Sobrang ganda talaga dito. Yeah, Ivan. What up, E? I miss y'all, man. This is our work. This is Grady Park. This is Unity event work, bro. I just continued what we was doing in Brighton and Brooklyn. Slowly, starting from the court, we're gonna paint this whole shit. Look, we already started here. We already fixed the other ceiling roof. Move, you little rascals. Come on, you little hyena. Go, get out of here. Get out of here, get out of here. Check out the floor. What? Oh, I'll show you some Brooklyn stuff. You know how we do. Insan, I see my cousin here. I'll see you tomorrow. Brooklyn's Boardwalk Classic. Brighton Beach, Zulo, boom. You already know. We have all the shout outs of the people that helped us with the GoFundMe. Dol, bubuksan mo na ang tarima. Saksakan. Doon naman isasaksak yung kuryente, di ba? Oh. Sa 5th floor. Everybody that hooked us up, man, that started the GoFundMe before Nike told us to stop. These are all of y'all. You know, Jason Luto, Paulo Gernade, Lester Rivera, Helping Hoops, Lil Jace, Dustin Fisher, Will Pascual, Alexandria De Leon, Leslie, Scott McClellan, Jordy Pearson, Raf Kamit, RGX, Girly Cats, everybody, Shoe Game Manila, Ruby Ibarra, Buhay Basket. That's what I'm talking about. Big E, you already know I gotta come down here and not only vacate, play ball. Nice done. We're gonna go hard for the next 3 years here. Thank you for sharing. Hashtag Pinoy Hoops, hashtag Tenement. Alright, I gotta go downstairs and now pitch in with the physical. May mga guests kami, Ginebra players. I'll be hosting downstairs the first half of the day and then upstairs the next half, and then I have a show tonight sa Lumbang, Lipa City. Alright, y'all, one last look before I take off my live. Eating up my battery. Akit ako dito. Yeah. Shit. Damn. Whoa. Ano mo no? Whoa. Salamat sa pag-share, brother. Dolen. This is yours.